So batteries died in the Jetta. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery. Two and a half volts. Sweet, so the first thing you want to do is take the cover off. Step 2, undo these. You won't need a crescent, all you need is the socket set. Undo the terminals and take them off the battery. Just need to loosen them up a bit. Should pop straight off like that. And these nuts here are 10mm. Now you'll notice if you try and lift the battery out, she's stuck in there. So what you want to do is take this shroud off it. To do that, just pull it towards you on an angle. It should lift away. Now the next thing you want to do is unscrew a bolt. Now there's a bolt down in here. Zoom in up. You can just see it there. You'll just need an extender bit and perhaps a on these flexi bits. Save your time, it's 13mm. So that's the bolt and the plate to hold it in, and then after that the battery will just lift straight out for you. What you want to do is just smash it straight on charge and leave it there for a good couple of days. Bit of advice is if you've got a dead car battery, don't leave it. Charge it as soon as possible or it'll go into a deep discharge and start losing its charge forever.